First of all, Speed and the JFF out. I need back my 2 hours I spend and watch a match. I don't even know I'm cut up, bro. You see this player right here? On a style whisper. No matter what one wants to say about, oh, when I use the fact say, oh, whisper they are taboo. And everybody needs enjoyment. The flair of whisper bring, bro. On a this whisper. Jamaica stop. Right now, deck in the morning for all I wanna, bro. Cephas, me can't even cuss Cephas. Cephas go out there and Cephas give him best. I still can't believe that Jamaica played the better ball game and we lost. Me no want nobody to come tell me about, oh, y'all really had faith in Jamaica. Bro, no be for real. Because we had faith. Especially, we see Congo come out to play first half, bro. We see them come off. We say, yeah, Jamaica had a chance. Whisper, I am sorry, bro. The man them style. If you could have changed your nationality and go play for another country, I advise you, do it, fam. Speed, you get your money, so you just need to lift up. The Jamaica Football Federation is corrupt and we will never be better as a nation.